A high-stakes takeover war has corporate battle lines drawn in Goleta. The city is losing Allergan, a multi-billion-dollar pharmaceutical business, and hundreds of local jobs. We wanted to know what happens to all those employees. Allergan's Goleta facility off of South Los Carneros is expected to close by the end of the year. The Botox maker is being pursued by Valeant, a Canadian-based pharmaceutical company. According to the Wall Street Journal, Allergan is doing all it can to fight back against the $53 billion takeover bid, including cutting out 1,500 employees, 300 of them local. I talked to Allergan spokeswoman over the phone from their headquarters in Irvine, Bonnie Jacobs. She said of the 300 employees here in Goleta, a portion of them will move to Irvine. She couldn't say how many, though, or what types of positions they hold. The few employees we ran into refused to talk, but word of the job cuts smacks of a similar slash in workforce when 400 Santa Barbara Bank and Trust workers were laid off after merging with Union Bank. Allergan employees left behind may face similar employment challenges.
So I expect people to be calling us and probably walking in talking about their job search.
We spoke with Spherion, a staffing and recruiting service in Goleta.
A lot of them ended up getting either hired on by their competitors or actually moving out of the area or even doing a longer commute and going down to either Ventura or going further up, a little bit more north.
And some are still looking. Executive recruiter Esther Lee said there is a silver lining to these layoffs. Manufacturing, tourism and hospitality and construction industries are all hiring. And local companies looking to hire won't have to pay relocation costs.
Just be assertive and continue looking. You'll find something.
And I talked to a Goleta city official about what type of revenue Goleta stands to lose with Allergan's closing. She said if the company pays sales tax, that information is not public information.